Like, stop playing. Stop playing. Look at this hair, you guys, and look how long. Girl. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful hair I have installed from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So I have installed 3.5 bundles of their Brazilian body wave in 30 inches. This is what it looks like. I just have it curled right now, but it's super duper long. I got this hair installed on March 6th and today is March 30th. So I've had this hair in for well over 3 weeks. It's going to be coming up on a month soon, and I've been really liking the hair so far. When I got the hair in the mail, first of all, the shipping was insanely quick. I got the hair like after I got the shipping confirmation. I got the hair like 2 to 3 days after that. It came like this, and I really wasn't expecting that. I ordered the hair well in advance because I didn't want to have any issues with booking my stylist and the hair not being here on time, etc, etc. And I got this hair installed for my birthday, so I needed it to be here on time, period. So they were really great with that. Their customer service was also really great. When I placed my order, I placed it with PayPal because I normally like to pay with PayPal or something like that, just because it's super easy for me to put in a claim and get my money back if there's any issues, and they don't normally charge you until the hair is shipped. So I do like that about buying stuff with PayPal. The email that's associated with my PayPal is not my main email, so when I placed my order, I didn't get any confirmation email and I was super duper confused. I reached out to them, they cleared everything up and they let me know the status of my order and all that good stuff. They responded really quickly as well. I didn't have to wait a super long time to hear back from them, so that was great. But let's get into the quality of the hair. Now, I unboxed this hair. The hair was so beautiful and soft and just really shiny and just nice. It was full from root to tip. I do believe I got some footage of me unboxing the hair. Really super beautiful. It came in the standard like satin drawstring bag with the 4 bundles wrapped in the plastic. It came with some really pretty lashes. It came with a headband and of course the hair. And for 4 bundles of the Brazilian body wave on their main website, I didn't purchase on AliExpress and I didn't purchase on Amazon, so I purchased directly from their Beauty Forever Hair website that I'll have linked down below. The hair got to me super quick and I only paid $300, I believe, or like $302 with taxes and everything. So that was a really great price for 4 bundles of 30-inch hair. The hair was full from root to tip. It didn't have like super scraggly ends, which I was really happy about. But I did go in and end up cutting off the ends anyway, just because the hair was just like too long for me. But that was just a personal choice. I got the hair installed and I'll have some clips of the hair when I first installed it. I washed it, I conditioned it, and it came out super smooth, super nice. My stylist did a great job. If you're interested in who I booked with, I'll have that information in the description box below if you're in the New York City area and you need your hair done. But yeah, I got the hair installed straight in the middle part. It looked so good, so bouncy, so flowy. It has, I would say, around a medium to high luster. So if you have really dull natural hair, you might not want to wear this. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like you can kind of see the texture in my natural hair right here. It's just a little bit more dull than the actual bundles of the hair, but it blends pretty well for me. I haven't had any issues. It just looks really good. I've tried using like kinky straight hair for sew-ins and stuff, and I just didn't really like the texture of that hair. I find that the body wave usually matches me better, but sometimes it's hit or miss with the luster. I hate super shiny, dull, baby looking hair because my natural hair don't look like that, okay? It just doesn't. But this hair worked out really good. It is a nice natural color. My natural hair is actually a little bit lighter, but since I have some product in my hair and hairspray and stuff, you can't really tell, and it does end up blending really nicely. So I'm super happy about that. When I first unboxed the hair, I didn't get any tangling. When I washed it, I didn't get any tangling. When I first installed it, those first like couple days and such, I didn't get any tangling whatsoever. The hair was super buttery and smooth, but over time, I would say around like the 2.5 week mark, I did start to notice a little bit of tangling just towards the ends, and I just feel like it's just because I'm wearing it in a sew-in for one, so it's not like I can take it off and keep the hair nice and maintained. Like, I sleep in it. Sometimes I don't wrap it up all the way. I really just been letting the hair get a lot of wear and tear. So I was noticing a little bit of tangling towards the ends. So I went in and I clipped off about maybe a half of inch at the bottoms. As you guys can see, it's still really, really long. Like, this is probably 29 inches. I feel like the ends were just a teensy bit dry, and I don't know if that's because like I straighten the hair a lot. Whenever it gets a little crinkle in it, I'll just re-straighten it or whatever the case, and I like to curl it. I like to apply heat to this hair, so I feel like that also plays a role in like why the ends were starting to get a little bit dry. But as you guys can see, the ends look amazing. It's not super duper full, but it has a very natural thickness towards the ends, because you know, nobody's natural hair is like that full as it is up here all the way at the end. So it is really, really pretty healthy ends, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm really happy I did go in and snip off that like half inch or whatever I cut off, and the hair has just been flowing much better. Oops, not my earring falling out of my ear mid-video, child. The hair has been working out really well for me though. Other than that, I haven't had any issues. Normally, whenever I would get sew-ins, I would get so much tangling right here in this back area, because that's where it's rubbing on your neck, and that is a surefire sign that you have some bad hair. But I haven't had that at all with this hair. Most of my tangling has been towards the bottom of the hair, and that makes sense because this hair is super duper long. This is actually my first time trying any hair longer than 24 inches, and baby, I don't think I'll be doing anything shorter than 26 from now on, because it's just super pretty. It slims my face out. I feel like when I have shorter hair, it just makes my face look a little bit chubbier. I've washed it 3 or 4 times now. I'm not the kind of person that just doesn't wash their hair when they have a sew-in in. I always wash my hair at least like once a week or every 2 weeks, just to make sure that the product is not building up in the hair, and over time it could just feel a little bit weighed down. Also, like with hairspray and stuff, if I'm curling the hair, I don't want that sitting on the hair for a couple days, because that'll make it tangle as well. I just really can't stop touching it. It is nice and full. Like I said, I didn't use all 4 bundles, but I used most of it. And this is what you have. It's not super duper thick. Like, if you're the type of person that likes it really, really, really full, you can definitely go ahead and get a 5th bundle. I didn't want it too thick, but I did want it a nice natural fullness, and I think I got that with this. As you guys can see, I'm running my fingers through the hair and I'm not getting any tangling. It is really, really beautiful hair, you guys, and I was super surprised because I mostly wear wigs. I haven't had a sew-in since like 2017, you know, like it's been a while since I had a sew-in, so I wasn't expecting the hair to hold up this well over time. I just wasn't, because I'm used to wigs, and everybody knows that the hair on wigs lasts much longer because you're not using it every day. I switch out my wigs like I switch out my clothes. Every day I got a different wig on, so I never put that much wear and tear on the hair to where I could really truly know if it's great quality hair. But you guys, this hair is actually bomb. I would highly recommend it if you guys are interested. Like, look at that, super soft, bouncy. It's not stiff at all, and the price was amazing. Like $300 for 4 bundles. I feel like that's a really great price, especially for this length of hair. So I was super duper excited to find a nice bundle deal with really long lengths, because a lot of times you'll see bundle deals that only go up to like 26 inches, 28 inches, and they won't have the 30. So I was really happy about that. I think that's everything that I wanted to cover in this video. If you guys were wondering if Beauty Forever is legit, it is. This video is unsponsored. This hair was not sent to me. I purchased it with my own money. I have worked with Beauty Forever in the past, but I would let y'all know if this video was sponsored, and it is not. I really would recommend it. I'll definitely be purchasing from them again. I think I want to do like a curly type of vibe, or like a loose wave, to where I don't have to have my leave out super straight. It kind of can just blend in with the hair. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments down below. I've really been loving it, and you guys have been loving it on my social media. Everybody's been saying how much they love my hair, and I'm so happy because it just looks so good. It's the perfect wake up and go hair. You could throw some flexi rods in it and be ready to go, child.
My flexi rod.
and I am so happy that it turned out great. I'm so happy that the hair is good quality. Like stop playing. Stop playing. Look at this hair, you guys, and look how long. Girl. So yeah, I am super excited that the hair turned out great. If you guys were skeptical, this is your sign to go ahead and purchase the hair. If you guys have any questions for me, anything that I forgot to include in this video, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, because sometimes I be forgetting, child, but I answer all my comments, so I'll definitely be down there to answer you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss an upload. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.